Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Need help with your Temu order? Here's how to contact Temu customer service quickly. First of all, open the Temu app or website, then log into your account to access the support option. Open the Temu application and make sure your device is connected to the Wi-Fi. Then go to the use section at the below. Your profile will open. At the top right corner, top left corner, you'll find the setting gear icon. After that, you'll find this option. Click on it. Here you'll find this interface. You can see if there is any order issue, you can check out it from here, or to contact this you can simply click on contact us. Temu usually offers live chat, email or phone support depending on your region. If available, find the phone number in the help center and dial it to speak with a representative. Provide your order info, have your order number, account email and issue details ready to speed up support. If your issue isn't resolved, you can continue via chat or email for confirmation and resolution. And that's how you reach Temu customer service quickly. If this helped, hit like, subscribe and save this video for future Temu issues, and I will see you in the next one.